In this video, I have demonstrated how to use the purchase order analysis report in ERP. First, navigate to the buying module and open the purchase order analysis report. Then, select the required company to view all purchase orders created during the selected period. The report provides a comprehensive overview of purchase order details, including the date, required by date, purchase order, status, supplier, item code, quantity, received quantity, pending quantity, billed amount, pending amount, warehouse, and company. This report helps users analyze and track the complete status of purchase orders, making it easier to monitor procurement activities and outstanding orders. This concludes the demonstration of the purchase order analysis report.